If you're facing an account lock on SmartRecruiters, follow these simple steps to regain access quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the SmartRecruiters login page. This is where you will begin the process of unlocking your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SmartRecruiters to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in elite databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from SmartRecruiters with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Log in with new password. Return to the SmartRecruiters login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. This should allow you to access your account without any issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account lock and get back to using SmartRecruiters. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.